In this video, we shall discuss about linear equation in two variable of fourth chapter from NCERT textbook of class 9 maths. So, dear children, we have already learned a linear equation in one variable. So, as we know, any equation, okay, linear equation in one variable. So we have learned in earlier classes. So any equation written in the form ax plus b equal to 0, where a equal to not 0 and a, b or real number is called linear equation in one variable. Okay, we have learned in earlier classes. For example, if 2x plus 3 equal to 0, okay, 4x minus root 3 equal to 0. These are example of linear equation in one variable. Okay, and we have also written more example like in this form ax plus b equal to 0. Okay, now extend the knowledge of linear equation in one variable in the form of two variable. Okay, so we have to discuss linear equation in two variable. Okay, in this chapter we have to learn linear equation in two variable. Okay, linear equation in two variable. Okay, so the equation are an equation written in the form an equation written in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real number, where a, b and c are real number and a not equal to 0 and comma b not equal to 0. Okay, it's called linear equation in two variable. Is called linear equation in two variable. Okay, so this is, remember that this is general equation of linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real number, any real number, x, y is variable. Okay, and also a and b not equal to 0. So we can say that an equation written in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called linear equation in two variable. Okay, so here the word linear means the power involved in the variable is 1. Okay, the power involved in the variable is 1, and equation is if any polynomial or any algebraic equation equating to 0 is called equation. Okay, and two variable means, so we have to use any two variable, okay, in the equation. So let us write some example of linear equation in two variable. For example, 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, and this is also written as 2x plus 3y equal to 5, and etc. 3x plus 9 minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so these are the example of linear equation in two variable. Okay, and we also know how to solve linear equation in one variable. Okay, so we have few point in your mind while solving an equation. We must always keep the following point in your mind. Okay, and the solution of linear equation is not affected. Okay, we have discussed here some rule, and this is keep in your mind always while solving a linear equation in two variable. Okay, and this solution is not affected. Okay, this solution is not affected first when same number added or subtracted from the both side. Okay, the same number is added or subtracted both the side of the equation. This is keep in your mind. Suppose an equation 2x plus 3, okay, 2x minus 3 equal to 5. So this equation is not affected when adding same number on both sides. So 2x minus 3, now adding same number on both sides, 5 plus 3. So plus minus 3 cancel out, so 2x equal to 8. So this equation is not affected on adding same number on both sides, and also we write 2x plus 3 equal to 5, and this is not affected when subtracting the same number from the both sides. Yes, plus minus 3 is cancelled, 2x equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, and the second point, when the same number multiply or divided, okay, the same number multiply or divide both sides, the equation is unchanged. Okay, means not affected. The same number multiply or divide. Suppose we write 2x plus 3y equal to 9. If we want to multiply the same number 2 in both sides, so 2 to the 4x plus 2 3 is 6 and 18. So does not affect the equation when multiply same number on both sides the equation. And similarly, we will go 2x plus 4 equal to 8, and also not affect the equation when divided the same number on both sides. Means if we want to divide 2 on both sides, so this does not affect the given equation. Means this is x plus 2 equal to 4. Okay, so these are the concept of linear equation in two variable. Now let us see some examples based on linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Okay, so the example is write each of the following equation write each of the following equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c in each case and indicate the value of a, b and c in each case. Okay, so the first is 2x plus 3y equal to 4.37. So dear children, as we know already said that the given equation written in this form ax plus by plus c. So therefore this equation is written as 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 equal to 0. Now comparing with equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we will get the value of a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to minus 4.37. Okay. Second question, x minus 4 equal to square root 3y. So this equation can be written as x minus root 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we get a equal to 1, b equal to minus root 3, c equal to minus 4. Okay. Next, 4 equal to 5x minus 3y. 4 equal to 5x minus 3y. So this can be written as 5x 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Again comparing with standard equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we will get a equal to 5, b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 4, and 2x equal to y. 2x equal to y. So this is written as 2x minus y equal to 0, and this also written as 2x minus 1y plus 0 equal to 0. Okay, now comparing ax plus by plus c equal to 0, so we will get the value of a is 2, b is minus 1 and c is 0. Okay, so this is basic concept of linear equation in variable.